Hi everyone. So I am in park, not in park, outside the park of Indranagar. It's really beautiful. I am going to market. There is a small market near here. The traffic of this road. Sometimes words are less to express the beauty of nature. So I'll just viewing and helping you see this beauty from my eyes in my video. Hope this video gives some cold winds to people suffering from 45 degrees Celsius in north. I'm going there soon tomorrow. I want to capture the memories. Look like some old place. I don't know for which purpose it is. I don't think it is being used for this wastage. So these are two adjacent parks. That one is very filled with lot of dry leaves spread on floor, and this one is more busier with people in the evening, and that is one quite lonely. Sometimes lovebirds are seen in that park, but this park is mostly people from all ages are seen here in the evening. It's crowded, but they lock it around 7 p.m. in the evening, so we have to leave. So once I had I was having walk in dark evening, and they were just about to lock it, and I just saw him, and fortunately I got out of this park. Since then I know it, but I have not got much time to come again here, but I love to take long walks here. People do all sorts of games and all that. So I'll do my work now, for which I have come to the market. See you again. Bye bye.